Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. To all my new viewers, welcome to Acedo's Kitchen and thanks for stopping by. Today's video is yet another grocery haul video. This week and in the past few weeks, I got a few essentials because I want to clear my pantry and freezer before doing another major shop. Starting from this end, I have some ginger beer. I also bought some chicken drumsticks and chicken thighs and ram steak for stir fry. I got this chuck roast to make pulled beef and this minced beef. Here I have potatoes, tomatoes, broccoli, cucumbers, avocados, cabbage, lettuce, baby capsicums, and regular sized ones. Here are some fish fillets, crinkle cut chips, coriander leaves, and these chicken nuggets and fingers for my kindergarten babies' lunches. I only got these two because it's the last week of term and I have one of each in the freezer. On this end, I have flatbread. I'll use the flatbread to make rolls with the pulled beef. I have tea biscuits, mayonnaise, baby formula, bread, apples and bananas, nappies for my baby, and nappy pants for my 3-year-old. I have 2 garbage bag rolls here and a triple pack of wipes. I needed one immediately, so I opened one roll. I'm still waiting on my Woolworths delivery because there are some things that I only buy from Woolworths, and I also wanted to take advantage of the sales on breakfast cereals. I'll quickly put these away and wash the dishes before making the kids' lunch. Once the dishes are done, I wipe down the surfaces and prepare lunch. I'll end this video here and resume recording after the Woolworths groceries are delivered. These items arrived late, so I recorded this after the kids had gone to bed. I got these burger buns for school lunches, milk, rice crackers, green beans, sweet potatoes, sweetener, and baby food. I use this baby food when we are out of the house due to the ease in feeding the baby on the go. I just use a screw top spoon with these. I also got some curly parsley, carrots, basil, spring onions, corn chips, ketchup, black pepper, Weet-Bix, Nutri-Grain, Cheerios, and cornflakes. If you enjoy such content, please hit the like button and subscribe for similar content. This is it from me today. Thanks for watching and bye for now.